What's up, guys? Welcome to another episode of Cooked by Motile. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If this is your first time here, you're welcome. Please consider watching other videos and subscribing. And to my returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back. Let's make some spaghetti and meatballs. Let's go. I'm going to start by frying my onions. I've already prepped my ingredients. Please check all the ingredients used in the description box below. So I'll be frying my onions for around a minute until they start turning golden brown. Then I'm adding my thinly diced tomatoes. If you don't like peeling your tomatoes, remember you can always blend, but I don't like blended tomatoes, so I slice my tomatoes and then I'm going to cook them for 2 to 3 minutes on medium heat until they are soft. Next thing, I'm adding my spices. I am using 1 teaspoon of garam masala and 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and then I'm going to let them cook for 2 minutes and I'll crush my tomatoes into a paste. Next thing I'm going to add is 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. After your tomato paste has been nicely incorporated with the tomatoes and onions, add in some water and let that cook for around 2 to 3 minutes. After 2 minutes, I'll add my meatballs. I have a video that I'm going to link to this video that shows you how to make the easiest meatballs. And then I'm going to cover my meatballs with the sauce and let that cook for another 5 minutes. While the meatballs are cooking in the sauce, I'm going to get started on my pasta. Cook your pasta according to the instructions on the packet, but don't cook them until they are very cooked. Cook them, if your packet says cook for 10 minutes, cook them for 7 minutes. I like to say cook them until they are 70% done. Once your pasta is 70% cooked, drain the water and then add it to the meatball sauce and cook that for another 2 minutes. At this point, my food is ready, so I'm going to add in some coriander for some color and of course some aroma. How good does that look, guys? How good does that look? The kids love this meal, the adults also love this meal, and it's so easy and so fast to prepare. Thank you so much for watching, guys. See you in the next one.